Attention realtors, are you ready to make your listings absolutely irresistible? At TidyTex Home Cleaning, we know that a clean home is a sold home. As a proud veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we bring reliability and professionalism to every cleaning job, ensuring that your properties shine just in time for showings. We understand the hustle of real estate and the pressure to close deals quickly. That's why our flexible scheduling and quick turnarounds are tailored to meet your needs, helping you make those crucial sales faster than ever. Imagine walking into a home that gleams from top to bottom, making potential buyers feel right at home from the moment they step inside. Our expert team pays special attention to detail, ensuring your listings are spotless, welcoming, and ready to impress every visitor. Here's a tidy tip. Boost appeal at no cost by opening all blinds and turning on lights before a showing. A well-lit home feels inviting and highlights its best features, making it easier for buyers to envision their future there. Empower yourself and your listings with TidyTex. Check the video description for more details and contact us today to elevate your real estate game and close those deals.